Hey guys, it is Charlotte and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Monday. We are doing our mini challenges. We have $40 that we are going to be working with and we have our little triangle die. Last week we did stop at this challenge with the lemons, so that is where we are going to start. And we'll see if we can finish any of them. I'm pretty sure we cannot finish any of them. I would be very surprised if we do. For the rest of the month, I'm pretty sure we're going to finish this one and this one and maybe get close to this one. So we'll see. We're trying to reach 60. Our number is 60 for the photo album. We are so close. I think we only need 2 more slots left. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So happy Monday. I hope everybody is having a great start to your week. So this past Monday, or this past weekend, so the Strawberry Festival happened. It was so good. We hung out with family. I hung out with my friends. It was really fun. I bought some things for the house. I used my fun money, which my fun money was $100, and I think I spent $50. So it wasn't really that bad. I mostly bought food, and I bought some stuff for our laundry for like organization. We did that. And then that's about it. But if you have seen my post that says when Murphy hits, it pours. Guys, I was so stressed. So you know that we had problems with our plumbing in January where we had to get it snaked out and everything cleaned out because of all the buildup and everything. And we got a new washer and dryer, which I'm so thankful for our washer and dryer. But our washer and dryer it's huge. It takes like a lot of water now. It fills up a lot. And I guess it just filled up so much on Friday that it started backing up into our kitchen sink, which is all connected. Backed up into our kitchen sink. It was overflowing from the back end of our washer. Like, I was highly stressed out and I was super upset. And me and Jared kind of got into a little argument because I felt like he wasn't doing anything because he was literally just staring at the sink. And I was like, go and get the shop vac and suck out this water before it overflows. Well, it overflowed from under our sink, 2 of our cabinets, like where we keep our chemicals at, that overflowed. And then where we keep my crock pot, my KitchenAid and everything, that overflowed, that all got wet. And I was just so stressed out. His friend did come over. His friend lives in Florida and drove like an hour and a half and stayed until I think almost midnight and helped him snake it out and everything. We tried out this morning. We tried the dishwasher out because our dishwasher is connected to the sink and to the laundromat as well. And that did not overflow. He went to Lowe's. He put all his chemicals in the drains and everything. And then he started another load and it went great. It did not overflow. So everything is fine. But guys, when I tell you that I was stressed out to the max on Friday, I was so upset because I just felt like, that was like a little bug. Why are we keep having to deal with plumbing issues? Our house was built in 2009. So, I mean, it's a little past 10 years. So I'm thinking that maybe next year we're going to have to redo the plumbing in the kitchen and the laundry room. I don't know how much that's going to cost, but that's probably going to be one of our major things that we're going to do next year is to replace all the plumbing because we're going to have to. So if you've had any problems with your pipes and plumbing and dishwasher, is your dishwasher connected to your washer? So that was my day on Friday. Saturday went great. We went to the Strawberry Festival. I had so much fun. I got sunburned. Well, probably not sunburned. I probably just got tanned. I don't feel it anywhere on my body, but it was really fun. I enjoyed it. So let's go ahead and get started. So we stopped at somewhere. I can't remember where right here. We stopped at this one. All right. So the first one is from Budgeting for Me, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So $6. So we have 2, 4, and 6. This one is getting close. We have 2 more rows left. So we have 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. So $57. Next one is from, I think, Mandy's Budgeting Journey. She doesn't have an Etsy anymore. So this is $30, and we have 1, 2, and 3 to start with. So we're just going to mark off the 3. At the Strawberry Festival, I got some strawberries. They had like the small baskets for $15. This is a local strawberry farm. It's not super close, but it is in the Alabama area. And I bought $15 worth. My friend bought a whole like 7.5 pounds. It's like a whole box for $35, and they are so good, you guys. I am super excited. If you are ever in the lower Alabama area, search Strawberry Festival. It's like almost 80,000 people over the weekend that comes and visits this festival. It's really, really fun. It's a lot of people when we went. I'm glad Jared dropped us off, so I did not have to deal with parking or anything. He dropped us off, which I'm very grateful for that. But it was packed out, guys. It's from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And there's like different carnival rides for the kids area. And then there's a ton of vendors that are selling like locally. There were people from Idaho, South Carolina, Foley, which is close by, and there was a bunch of people. Oh my gosh, there was people from all over the United States, which was super excited to like hear their stories, like how they got into their craft and everything. It was really, really fun. So if you are ever in the area around April, it's usually the second weekend in April, the Strawberry Festival, y'all should definitely go and try it and come and hang out. It's incredible. So the next one is the Jessie C envelopes one, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do we have any extra? We do not have any extra, but that's $8, which is awesome. So we'll knock off another 8. Oh, we do have 8 right here, but there's not a 9, so we'll just keep that one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So $16. That's good that we're knocking off the bigger ones. Next one is from Lady Di Saves, and this is her star one. So we actually need 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we need $10. We don't have any extra. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. $6. So 2, 4, and 6. So next week we only need $4 to complete this, which will be very exciting. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. $20. We are going to cash condense that one. Next one is from Blessed Budgets by Abigail and by Grammy's Journey. So each one is $2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. $10. So I don't think we're going to finish it. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So we will finish some next week. I'm super excited about that. And this has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. $20 again. So we have $22, which is awesome. Last but not least is by Cute Budgets, and this is the Cinderella one. I have completed a couple of hers already, and each one of the glass slippers is $5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So $7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're going to mark off 1. So we'll have $25. Let me get a yellow. Perfect. So we only need 5, 10, 15, 20. $20. So $25. And that is it, you guys. So thank you guys so much. I'm super excited. Next week we will definitely be finishing up some. I am so happy, but I hope you have a great start to your week. I hope your weekend was a lot better than mine at the very beginning. But I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video on Tuesday. Bye, guys.